Good morning, guys. It's our last day at the parks, so we're gonna live it up. We're at Hollywood right now. We're gonna try and knock out Rock and Roller Coaster and Tower of Terror and maybe a few other things this morning. So come along with us.
Good morning, good morning. We've talked the whole night through. Good morning to you. Good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you. Hey. When the band began to play, the stars were shining bright. Yeah. Now the milkman's on his way, and it's too late to say goodnight. So good morning. Sunbeams will soon shine through. Good morning.
Yeah, so we rode Rock and Roller Coaster, and we rode it twice actually. It was, I think, about 10-15 minute wait both times, but it said it was 25 minutes. Super nice. And then Tower of Terror was only 10 minutes. So we did that, and then we hopped over to Star Tours. I think that was our longest wait, and we waited maybe 30 minutes for it. And then we decided, you know what, let's go hop on a bus and let's go do what we did yesterday and grab lunch and take a nap. So that's exactly what we did. And I think I got about a good 45 minutes to an hour just then. I feel a little bit more refreshed, so that's good. It's nice out. I think it's about 71 out, but it's windy, so it's making it a little bit cooler. But I'm not complaining. So right now we're hopping our way over to Magic Kingdom to basically spend the rest of our day there, I think till about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. So yeah, come along. So we didn't really time this right. We're here in line right now for Magic Kingdom, and it's about 1:20 right now, and the next bus comes around 1:40, so we have about 20 minutes until this bus comes. I wanted to tell you guys a tip though that will probably save you a little bit of money at the park. Bring your own water bottle and just fill it up at water fountains, or like here what Kendall and I just did, we went and filled ours up in the food court area, and so now we have cold water. What I normally do is I'll buy a water bottle at the beginning of the trip here, which of course is expensive, but sometimes I really need one at the park. And then what I'll do is I just constantly refill that my whole entire time here. Kendall brought her actual water bottle though, which is nice. I bought, let me get it, let me clip it off. Can you hold the vlog? Talk to them.
Hi vlog. She's struggling.
So basically what it is, it holds your water bottle on this clip, and I put my baseball hat on there, and then I just clip it onto my backpack like that. Thanks, Kenny. That way my water bottle won't spill inside my bag, because it's happened a lot in the past. So yeah. Hey guys, so we are in Magic Kingdom. We're sitting on a curb waiting for the parade to start. The parade's supposed to start at 3. Kendall was super nice and we got some ice cream. So we just had that. My butt hurts already, but it's okay.
You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. Well, Alibaba had them 40 thieves. Scheherazade had 1,000 tales. But master, you in luck, 'cause up your sleeves you got a brand of magic never fails. You got some power in your core.
Just wait.
Now some heavy ammunition in your camp. You got some punch, pizzazz, Yahoo, and how. See, all you gotta do is rub that lamp, and I'll say, Mr. Aladdin, sir, what will your pleasure be? Let me take your order, jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me. Life is your restaurant, and I'm your lady D. Come on, whisper what it is you want. You ain't never had a friend like me.
We're all about to be together for the next 12 awkward minutes. So, welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Emma, and today I will be your skipper, your tour guide, your personal life coach, your snake charmer, your lion tamer, and if you don't care for my jokes, well, I could be your swim instructor.
Yeah, third we pride ourselves on you wish. It's yours to dish. How about a little more baklava? Have some of column A, try all of column B. I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Guys, we just did the drop on Splash Mountain and we were sitting here and it's sounding like that we're gonna have to walk off the ride. Like we're not even to Zippity Doodah just yet. We literally had just dropped. So yeah.
We're soaking
Kendall,
wet.
I've literally gone to a Disney park since I was about 2 years old and I've never actually had to walk off a ride before. They've always got it moving. Oh, here comes the cast member. We're gonna see what's happening. We're gonna keep you informed. Hey guys, so update, we were not allowed to film when they were taking us out and I really did not want to disobey rules as much as I wanted to. It was really cool though. We basically got to walk through where the scenes for Zippity Doodah, and then there was a thing of Bear Rabbit and you could like pet him, so we got to do that. They gave us a fast pass so we can do anything but we meet Mickey, Peter Pan's Flyer, Seven Dwarfs, and we had gotten one. We didn't vlog this, but we went to go on Space Mountain and it had been it's about an 80-minute wait, but we were using our fast passes and literally right as we got to the front of the fast pass line, the ride shut down. So we have another one of those on our Magic Band. So right now we have two unlimited fast passes for wherever we want, but mine's Peter Pan and meet Mickey, which we really wanted to meet Mickey and we really wanted to do dwarves again. So yeah, the one character that I did want to meet though tonight was Tinkerbell as well, so we may use them to meet Tink, I'm not sure. But Kendall's peeing right now and then we're gonna go quickly ride Space Mountain and then I think we're actually gonna sit and wait for fireworks. I'm not sure what time they start at. I'm pretty sure they start at 9. I'm pretty sure they start at 9. So we may actually do one more thing before that, but I told her, I was like, let's do our fast pass right now for Space Mountain because that's back up and running, and then let's figure out what we want to use this other fast pass for. So yeah. Guys, we are literally right in front of the castle. I don't know how we wormed our way up here, but we did. I really have to pee. The fireworks start in like 30 minutes, so this is going to be very exciting. We unfortunately have to stand up due to safety reasons, which means we're going to be standing up for a very long time, but oh no. But it's going to be a good night.
Like for Harry. I usually try for
We're so close. I know.
Can your friends do this? Can your friends do that? Can your friends pull this? Have that little head? Can your friends go woo? Hey, looky here. Can your friends go abracadabra, light a rip, and then make the sucker disappear? So don't just sit there slack-jawed, buggy-eyed. I'm here to answer.
Across the way, she don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her, and you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, looks like the boy's too shy, ain't gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad, ain't it a shame, too bad, he's gonna miss the girl.
I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear me, but currently it's extra magic hours. You saw that we saw the fireworks. So what we ended up doing was we ran over to Space Mountain to use Fast Pass that we got for it because it shut down when we were there. But the Fast Pass line was so long because I feel like people were trying to get it done before they had to leave. So we currently just did Carousel Progress, and then we did Little Mermaid, as you guys just saw. So now we're doing Winnie the Pooh.
So this is love. So this is love. So this
so we were just finishing up the night. We did a lot in a very short amount of time. We got to do Winnie the Pooh, we met Ariel, we did Barnstormers, Dumbo, Teacup, Space Mountain, and then we just got off Buzz Lightyear. So we've done a lot in 45 minutes basically. So yeah, we are peacing out of Magic Kingdom right now. Super sad, don't know when the next time I'll be here is, but it's all a-okay, because I know I'll be back someday.
When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. When you wish upon a star, your dreams can true.
Hey guys, so it's the next morning. Yeah, we're getting ready to go. It's been a really good trip. Funny story, I was changing my contacts out in the bus last night, which I know sounds really gross, but I felt like they were about to pop out of my eyes, and I didn't want to lose them. Well, I lost one anyways. It's not in my contact case, so I'm going to be stuck wearing glasses the rest of spring break, which is fine. But yeah, fun times. Alrighty, thanks for joining us on this magical adventure, and I love you all so much, and I hope to see you all real soon. Bye.